Guys, are you in the middle of changing out your clutch and flywheel and just not sure whether or not you should change out your pilot bushing or your rear main seal? In today's video, I'm going over how to change them out. I've seen two different methods on the internet for removing the pilot bushing. One way is to pack the grease inside where the pilot bushing is and then tap something in and tap, 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 and supposedly the bushing will just come right out. The other way is that you pack the hole, not with grease, but with bread. I would love to know who was just sitting around one day and was like, you know, I'm gonna shove bread in there and let's see what happens. Let's just shove some bread. So then I started thinking, okay, I could totally do that. I'd like to go the bread route because honestly, grease can get nasty sometimes. Bread would probably get nasty too. Either way, it's gonna get nasty. It's National Donut Day. Donuts are bread. Can we shove a donut in there and get a pilot bushing out? Why the hell not? Krispy Kreme. I am not sponsored by Krispy Kreme, but you know what, honestly, Krispy Kreme, if you want to, like, let's talk. So don't worry, it's not glazed or anything. It smells amazing. So good. So I'm gonna try to see if this donut would actually get my pilot bushing out. First, you're gonna need your actual parts, pilot bushing and rear main seal. I'm doing this on my Nissan 350Z, so I will write what the part numbers are in the description below. For everyone else, sorry, you gotta figure it out. Tools for the pilot bushing is either your grease, if that's what you're gonna do, or your bread. Can't beat the donut. I mean, you can't eat it after, but oh, it's so good. Some kind of closed-ended tool. This one is from Harbor Freight. It is like the legs that go in to hold the thing that you press down. Sorry, I don't know what it's all called, but yeah. So it actually fits the pilot bushing perfect. Handy dandy hammer, socket that fits perfectly over your pilot bushing. For the Z, it happens to be a 14 millimeter. The rear main seal, there is a really nice tool that they have. It's like a double-ended thing that you can get at Harbor Freight or any hardware store. I'm gonna go the cheap route and use a pick. I think it'll work. Let's see, let's hope. Otherwise, we'll make a trip to the hardware store, but let's go. All right, so I got my donuts now. They got kind of smushed. I accidentally laid down on them. Let's see if this actually works. So far, it does not seem like it's working. I'm gonna stuff some more bread in it, and I hope this works, and I hope I didn't just shove a bunch of donuts inside the car. Ew. This freaking donut is making a damn mess. Donut on the lens? Jesus. There's freaking donut everywhere. So right now, I don't feel like this is working. I have donut everywhere. I hope this works. I think it's working. I think it's working. I just have to get a better angle on it. Ew, it has donut all over it. That's disgusting. It's like donut everywhere, but it worked. So, and it smells amazing. It's time to install the new bushing. Get your 14 millimeter socket. Wait, what?
How much donut did it take?
It took about half.
It took half a donut?
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
I had a really small hole. I flung donut everywhere. Look at it. It was all over the camera and all over the microphone.
How did it get flung all over?
I have no idea because it's so soft and fluffy and I just want to eat it, but yeah. And then I cleaned the whole thing in here.
That is awesome.
Yeah, it worked.
That is so cool. Oh, I think those are delicious. Oh, so soft.
All right, so it's time to put in the new bushing. Oh my God. I'm totally gonna fucking lose a finger. So here I'm just making sure that the socket is lined up correctly over the pilot bushing. And then I just keep checking as I'm tapping it in because I want to make sure that I'm not tapping it in crooked and just making sure that it's going in straight, because the last thing I want is for it to go in crooked. And then I'm just making sure that I tap it in all the way until it's seated properly. So we're doing the rear main seal now. I got my handy dandy pick. I have no idea what I'm doing. Guys, so here is old one. So the rear main seals have like this, I don't know if you can see it. See that little metal ring in there? And then the rest of the body here is pretty hard. And then the inside here, there's like a little seal. So make sure all that's intact. And then we're gonna press this in by just tapping it. Guys, so you got to see how to take out a pilot bushing with half the donut, which I'm super excited that that actually worked. Put one back in, and how to replace the rear main seal in the Z. So all in all, I think the advantages really outweigh how long it took and how much money it was, because honestly, it was less than 20 bucks for both parts, and it took maybe an hour because I was putzing around. So really didn't take that much time. So in my next videos, I will be doing my clutch and flywheel and also putting back the transmission. So stay tuned for those videos. If you liked what you see, please subscribe. And until the next time, peace out. Oh my God, so good. Pizza, we should have pizza always. Oh my God, look in there.